You're watching SBCTA Today, bringing you the latest San Bernardino County transportation updates to keep you moving. With Memorial Day around the corner, serving as the unofficial start to summer, more drivers will be on the road to visit family, friends, and finally take that summer vacation. To plan ahead and avoid stop-and-go traffic, consider packing your fast-track transponder for use on any express lane within our region. We've got the LA Metro Express lanes on the 10 and 110 in Los Angeles County, the I-15 in Riverside County, the 91 Express lanes, and even the toll roads of Orange County. And in the not-so-distant future, our very own express lanes right here in San Bernardino County on I-10 that you see behind me, between the LA-San Bernardino County line and I-15 interchange. The current construction on I-10 is part of the I-10 Express Lanes project, intended to provide drivers a fast, reliable, and congestion-free trip on the I-10. And remember, express lanes are an alternative option to using the general purpose lane. So let's take a closer look into this project and see what's bringing us one step closer to our very own express lanes right here in San Bernardino County.
To get us closer to you using the express lanes in San Bernardino County, there will be several local street closures, full and partial freeway closures, 55-hour lane and ramp closures, and 10-day ramp closures scheduled throughout the summer. This summer, the newly constructed east side of the Vineyard Avenue Bridge will open, and crews will demolish the west side of the bridge. And further west, crews are relocating underground utilities at Monte Vista Avenue, as well as building a new center median of the freeway. Girders, or horizontal beams, will be installed this summer, serving as the main support system for the improved bridge. This is the final stage of work, and the bridge is expected to be open to the public in fall 2023. Crews continue to work on the San Antonio Avenue Bridge, including building the bridge decks. This is one of the bridges expected to open later this summer. And recently at 6th Street, we achieved a major milestone toward bridge reconstruction. Crews performed directional freeway closures on eastbound and westbound I-10 to install steel girders. The girders are the arms of the bridge that create the base of the bridge deck, which is the portion that vehicles drive on. We anticipate 6th Street Bridge to open by the summer. Now that the project is 75% complete, we want you to be prepared on how to use the county's first express lanes. Fast Track is an electronic-only toll collection system throughout California that allows drivers to easily pay tolls on every tolled bridge, lane, and road. You may have seen overhead structures, seen here, going up throughout the project corridor. These structures allow Fast Track drivers to pay for tolls automatically when they pass through a tolling point. To pay the lowest toll amount for traveling in the SB Express lanes on I-10, drivers will need a Fast Track account and transponder. Fast Track accounts and transponders allow you to travel on any express lane in and around San Bernardino County. As we continue to work toward improving commuting times for San Bernardino County residents, we encourage you to be in the know before you go. Visit gosbcta.com/I-10 corridor to sign up for weekly construction alerts, and be sure to visit the SB Express Lanes tab to learn more about the county's first express lanes coming soon. And for the most up-to-date project-specific closures and detours, follow Go SBCTA on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We plan, we build, you move.